Namaste. Welcome to the news edition of Vidyashree High School. I am Deepak from grade 10th. Let us look at the campus events starting from 1st November to 30th November. First, let us see the group events conducted in the campus. To start with, Vigilance Week was observed in the campus from October 31st to 7th November with a focus on promoting awareness and proactive action against corruption, injustice, or specific societal issues. A debate was conducted in high school section on the topic Corruption is the only cause for poverty. The week concluded with the students taking oath on not indulging in corruption. Our Scouts and Guides troop had participated in the celebration of 75th Foundation Day of Bharat Scouts and Guides. The Bangalore South District Association had organized a foundation walk for all Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers. The walkathon started from Shantigruha Palace Road and concluded at Bishop Cotton School. Our Scouts and Guides troop had lots of fun and this was their second outing for them. Commemoration of International Day Against Violence and Bullying, including cyberbullying at school, was observed on 7 November 2024. CBSE had organized a webinar on Protect, Educate, Empower. Learners call for safe and inclusive schools. Along with this, our students of grade 6th and 7th had participated in poster making on Be a Buddy, Not a Bully. Celebrating Children's Day and Kannada Rajyotsava in schools provides an excellent opportunity to blend fun, learning and cultural appreciation. We at Vidyashree celebrated Children's Day and Kannada Rajyotsava on 14th November. Children from all grades had participated in the cultural activities. The event was very colorful and all had fun. A drawing and coloring competition was held in the school campus in partnership with the Axis Bank Vadrahalli branch. The theme was given, How I Wish Bengaluru to Be, or My Village, Past and Present. Children from grade 5th to 8th participated in competition. They had picturized the given theme with innovative arts and colors. Selected drawings will be rewarded by the Axis Bank Vadrahalli branch. A webinar was held for high school section on the life story of Bhagavan Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda was an Indian tribal independence activist and folk hero who belonged to Munda tribe. He spearheaded a tribal religious millenarian movement that arose in Bengal Presidency in late 19th century during British rule. Constitution Day, also known as Sanvidhan Divas, is celebrated in our country on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect from 26 January 1950. An annual sports meet is a much anticipated event in schools that promotes physical activity, teamwork, and a spirit of healthy competition among students. Preparation and practice sessions for the annual sports meet was scheduled during the school hours, in which children participated with great enthusiasm. Periodic Test 3 for grade 10th was held starting from 20th November. The periodic test serves as a means to evaluate the students' understanding of their syllabus in a structured manner. Now, my friend Manya will take you through the rest of the campus news. Namaste.
Namaste. I am Manya from grade 10th. Now, let us see the classroom activity starting from grade 1. Math activity for grade 1 was held on place values, in which children were asked to identify the place value of tens and ones using the colorful balls. Kannada language activity on Padarachane was held in grade 1. Children were asked to construct a word using the flashcards of Kannada alphabets. Children enjoyed the activity by creating few meaningful words. Hindi language activity on Vyanjan was held. Children were asked to identify the letters placed on the floor along with the words. Grade 1 had a EVS activity, Up in the Sky, role play based on the solar system. Children portrayed themselves as sun, moon, stars, explained the properties of these heavenly bodies. Grade 2 had an English activity, Mind Game, where the flashcards of nouns, pronouns, verbs and adjectives were displayed to the children. Then they were asked to list out what they could remember. They had lot of fun while trying to remember the objects on the flashcard. Grade 2 had a math activity, Money, in which a real situation of a market was created. Children used paper currency and soft money to transact in the market. They enjoyed the activity and were completely involved in the market. Kannada language activity on Kudisi Heli was conducted for grade 2, in which children were asked to read two different words which would make one word. EVS activity Our Universe, a role play about the sun, stars, planets, and galaxy, was conducted in grade 2. Children actively showcased themselves as the sun and the planet. Kannada language activity on Suchana Falakagalu was conducted for grade 3. Children created different kinds of colorful signboards displaying the instructions in Kannada language. Grade 3 had a social science activity on our environment in which children presented the models and charts depicting the causes and effects of environment. Grade 4 had a role play pertaining to water resources as part of their social studies activity. Children enacted as rivers, lakes, dams, well, etc. and also spoke about the uses of these water resources. Lemon Juice Day was held in grade 4 in which children were asked to prepare lemon juice. Children enjoyed the process of making the juice and also learned the steps involved in the same. Hindi activity was conducted on Ek or Anek for grade 4 in which children had brought few things around us and explained the scenarios of real life situation. Grade 5 also had a role play pertaining to communication as part of their social studies activity. Children had fun while enacting as newspapers, television, YouTube and other social media platforms. Math activity for grade 5 was conducted on construction of triangle. Children were taught that the triangle can be constructed with the help of circle and also the sum of all three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now my friend Likith will take you through the rest of the campus events. Namaste.
Namaste, I am Likith from grade 10. Namaste. Grade 6 had role play as part of a social science activity on classroom panchayat and sarpanch election. Children were very excited to know the election and selection process. They had lots of fun during the activity. Math activity on data handling for grade 6 was held using the graph, where children were put forth their own marks as the data on the graph sheet. Children were inquisitive to know their own marks on the graph sheet. A solar eclipse and a lunar eclipse are celestial events that occur due to the alignment of the Earth, Moon and Sun. They are fascinating natural phenomena that have both scientific explanation and cultural significance. Students of grade 6 had a Hindi language activity on solar and lunar eclipse which were represented by creative charts. Science activity for grade 6 on changes around us to differentiate reversible and irreversible changes and physical and chemical changes was conducted. Children learned about different objects and their properties in the activity. Math activity on angles for grade 7 was conducted. Children learned to construct different types of angles using protractor and compass. Math seminar on areas of polygon was conducted in grade 8, in which students explained and solved various polygons. Real life problem solving scenarios were also taken. A role play was conducted on freedom fighters as a part of Hindi language activity in grade 8. Students portrayed themselves as Mahatma Gandhiji, Chacha Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and so on. Social science activity on interdisciplinary project was held in grade 9, in which children had created different projects and couple of them were selected to display in the weekly newsletter. Buddha's sermons are profound yet practical, encouraging self-exploration and compassion for all beings. They guide practitioners towards life of mindfulness, ethical conduct and wisdom, ultimately leading to liberation from the cycle of birth and death. An English language activity for grade 10 was conducted in which students had portrayed their views and thoughts on the teachings of Buddha. That's all for this month. Thank you for watching. Remember to check our website and follow us on social media for more updates. Have a great day ahead. This is Likith signing off from Vidyashree High School.